What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Another video. I sadly had to re-record, so I hope I get everything included and I don't forget something. But basically, I wanted to do a little follow-up to Virtual's protocol, a coin I talked about in the past. One I think did really well, and I think can keep doing really well in the future. And they just had a massive release on Coinbase on amongst others. And yeah, I just wanted to do a short little recap and go about one of the massive bullish things I think they just did. And yeah, stay tuned in the rest of the video to figure everything out alongside with me. And once again, all I ask is that you leave a like and subscribe and possibly comment on the video. If not, also completely fine, but you would be doing me a massive favor. All right, so here we are at CoinMarketCap. Virtual's protocol. Virtual is on a meteoric rise, soaring over 32% as it challenges the formidable resistance. So pretty much it's done a massive run from its start. Its market cap is still relatively low, a $1.1 billion market cap. We've seen simpler projects reach much higher. So I think there's definitely room for growth in this project. Overall community sentiment is good. People are bullish on it as well. And basically, if we grab the chart real quick, we can see it had quite a big rise. Now, I will zoom out in a little bit, but it had a 160% increase from basically this point. Now, obviously, it's done a lot better in the past, but for a relatively new crypto, I think it's not too bad. I think there's, as initial hype wears down, it has kept building, it has kept developing, it has kept being active. And yes, as markets decline, it slowly declined, but on the release of good news, it's going up. So I think that is a very positive for a project like this. And yeah, like I said, I think with the good fundamentals that it has, I think there is room for growth. Now, once again, I grabbed Copilot because we're in the world of AI. Virtuals is an AI project. And yeah, let's just integrate the two. So Virtual's protocol is built on Ethereum layer 2 base and Solana, and it powers a society of AI agents that operate autonomously on chain. Key features include agent creation, tokenization, interoperability, staking and governance, real utility. So basically, users can launch AI agents without coding. And I think very importantly, they can tokenize them. So they can generate revenue, they generate added value, but also for their creators. So people are incentivized to create the best AI agents around. And I really like this idea because I always like good fundamentals, and this adds value to something. So this is an actual product people could use and could share revenue of. And basically co-ownership, I suppose, but in essence, there's value created, value shared, more value created, more value shared. And Virtual surged 104% in 4 days in October 2025. So this is actually added since the last few days, so that is pretty cool to see. But this is the news I was hinting at. It has been integrated into Coinbase. So I've not tried it myself yet because I do not have an active Coinbase account, so I should get that sorted, I suppose. But I really like this idea. So you're not really dependent on copying other traders or, I don't know, using copy tactics, bots, or whatever. You could actually make an AI investor agent, which I really like. I think that's a very game-changing idea, and I think that could spark a massive, well, I won't say revolution, but apparent in the last few videos I did, I think AI is going to dictate more and more of our lives. It's going to take over more and more of our processes. And I think that AI agents can probably trade a lot better than we can, and more structured, more actively. They don't sleep. Like whereas we sometimes miss entries, whereas we sometimes miss taking profits, AI agents don't. They're just better if programmed accordingly. So I think that is a good advancement. I think it is a good investment. It is speculative though, so Copilot is definitely right on that. So I think the intersection of AI and blockchain, I think AI is going to be important in every sector, not just blockchain. I think it's going to be super important in the stock market. I think it's going to be super important in regular day jobs. It's going to become bigger and bigger and bigger. And to see projects with actual products coming out, which actually create value, then I definitely think this could be a very good investment over time. So I've held virtual for quite a while. Right now, it's in a very decent profit, but my average is somewhere around here, I suppose. So I have had the lows, I have had the highs, but right now I am in a slight little profit. But like I said, it's a $1.1 billion market cap. I think it could easily go higher than that, and I think it's apparent here as well. Even though we're seeing a small correction today after its big rise up, most likely I expect it to level out somewhere here. And let's grab a little horizontal line. Probably around this price level is somewhere where I'll buy a little bit more, because like I said, it's part of my DCA portfolio. I've not done a video on it for a very long time, but I think it's very important. I think it's a very big part of news where virtual searches as AI agents integrate directly into Coinbase retail DEX. So, like I said, I think this is a massive piece of news, and Coinbase is not the smallest crypto exchange around. It's one of the bigger ones. So, I think it's very important that they have this milestone pegged. So, yeah, I think this could drive the value and volume up even more. I think it's only beginning. All right, so just wanted to do this little touch up on virtual. I've not talked about it for quite a while, but I definitely didn't forget it. Let me know what you guys think. If you have a different opinion, or if I missed something in this video, feel free to post a comment in the comment section below, and I'll do an update or possibly another video, whatever about it. And once again, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one again.